So in today's webinar, we're going to be covering the life of a PCB from start to finish. How can a quality control engineer or a maintenance engineer, a service engineer make that PCB last as long as possible? And if you make a PCB last, twice as long, perhaps the original manufacturer envisaged that PCB to last maybe 2 to 5 years. If you can make that last 7 years, 10 years, number one, you are saving time, you are saving money, you are also reducing e-waste. So we're going to be talking about some of the best practices that you can adapt or adopt from the very beginning, from testing PCB in the production line, saving data, storing data that could be potentially used by the service engineer, for fault finding during warranty or out of warranty servicing as well. We're going to be giving you some suggestions on what you can do to make repair and maintenance not just economically feasible, but also quick and cost effective as well. So here is the team that will be speaking to you today. So I'm the sales manager here at ABI. I'm joined by Wesly, who is going to be speaking from, he's speaking from Taiwan. Today, I've had the privilege of working with Wesly for the last 13 years. He's got over 20 years of experience dealing with electronics repair, maintenance, and then he came to work with ABI as well back in 2008, 7 or 8. And we also have Oliver Chad, who is going to be speaking to you shortly. Oliver is best known for his role in ABI Labs. He's one of the hosts, along with Munib Ahmed. So if you haven't seen our YouTube video series, please, after the end of this presentation, make sure that you go to ABI's YouTube channel. We've just finished releasing Series 2 of ABI Labs. So we had Series 1 talking about power off testing and Series 2 talking about power on testing. So some of the tests that in some of the capabilities that we will be demonstrating here today are explained, in detail on YouTube. Is free to watch. We have probably 18 episodes between the two series. We're starting to record Series 3 already. That's coming in September or October time. So please make sure that you go and check that out.